What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. So yo, just before I start this video, you want to get yourself a nice, awesome mask like this. Check it out. It says just stay home. Not a sponsor at all, but you want to check them out. Great quality. The links will be in the description box. Let's get to it. What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. So in today's video, we're just going to show around a little quick video, what's inside the Streamlabs, things that you can add, some things that came new. I don't know if it's on Mac yet. I haven't found it, but if you're new here and you like these type of videos, make sure you subscribe. New subscribers, what's up, bro? Welcome to Crayton TV, and let's get over here. So I want to say first thing first, sorry about the background noise. That's the MacBook. But if you do stream on your Mac, there's now a new way you can add your CPU usage, your FPS, if you're dropping frames, whole group of stuff. So let's check this out. And you see, I got Fortnite open up in the background. I got my iShowU audio capture off right now, so you don't have to worry about that. Added a few little things, but we're just checking out the, the fundamentals, the inside of Streamlabs OBS for Mac. Some things that you didn't know that was there. So, you got your editor right here in the top left corner. Your themes, this is how you add your themes for your, backgrounds, overlays, such as things like that. If you didn't know about that, you got your CloudBot, stuff that's going to be saved. App Store, if you're a Prime member with Streamlabs OBS, this video is not being sponsored at all. You have App Store, put your merch, stuff like that, all through Streamlabs. You already know your mini feed. This is your editor layout, scenes, sources, mixer. So we get down here, this is your dashboard, so you can bring up your dashboard from Streamlabs itself without going to the actual website. So you click it right here. This is your layout editor. You can change the layout, like you see my layout right now. This is how you get it when you get default when you're first starting off. So this is the edit layout. So you can change it, put everything in. Supposedly in here there's a way you can actually add another, like say if you added another source selector or scene selector, whatever, you can put also your website down there and have a website playing in the background. Quick action, especially if you want to show it to your viewers and everything, you can put a website down here in the edit out layer template. You can put something like that. But right now, we're not going to change mine. This one right here we got is studio mode. That's for when you're streaming. You can switch it over to studio mode. Just clicking it, it just lets you know how you look when you're live, everything else. That's only if you want to. When you're live, you can just see if you're dropping frames or anything else. That's another way to check and see how you can fix your delay. Because you can see yourself live and see, okay, what are the viewers seeing and what you see in real time. That's like, And right here, you got get help if you need help with anything. Get help tabs. You got log out. You got settings. Now down here, you can see, here's my CPU usage right now, right? Reason why it's so high right now, because I'm recording off the MacBook and I'm using a Streamlabs OBS. There's never no 7 point something, but you click this right here to let you know this is your stats. When you're being on your status, when you're online, you can click that, see what else is going on. It'll tell you more stuff as you got right here. So you can add footers and just click on a stat to add to your footer. So this is right here is my CPU usage. I got my if you want to drop, you can add your FPS, drop frames, and then bandwidth. That's for your internet speed. If your internet speed, you can see if your internet speed is going down and everything. But I have good internet speed, as you guys seen before, so I don't need to worry about that. And then here's any notifications you'll get just in case like anything happens, like lag, phrase. They'll let you know all that's in here. That's your status in there. So me, I just added down here at the bottom. You see my footer, 60 FPS, everything running. I was testing out some my little follow subscriptions, that pops up like that, subscriptions, test them all out, going off of there, just testing little widgets. You got your record button right here. So when you're recording, you can record at the same time, especially if you got your Elgato, everything all hooked up, which it should be hooked up. You feel me? This one right here, that's your replay buffer. You can go back, catch your replays, go live scene. You already know. This little arrow right here, this brings up your chat for, wherever you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Mixer, such and such, right there. You can edit right here your stream layout when you go ready to go live. You can change your title when you're live and everything. A few more settings, just one that you ought to check out. Let's close that back. general, stream. You can actually stream to 2 softwares at the same time. So if you want to add another one, allows you to multi-stream, so you can stream to, Twitch, YouTube, same time, Mixer. You can stream to 2 platforms at the same time. You just gotta enable it. Output, me, my bit rate is 4,000 because I have high internet. So you set your bit rate to whatever your internet upload speed is. Internet upload speed. That's what you set your bit rate up to. You'll be able to tell, okay, if you don't have if you're only pushing 10 megabytes upload, 25, you can pull off 2750, 3000, it all depends on your internet internet up speed. Audio, you guys see I got everything else here. Settings, everything still stay the same. Just going through hotkeys. Hotkeys are for if you want to set up stuff, like say if you had an Elgato Stream Deck, or you want to set up some hotkeys on your keyboard, you know, so you can just tap little keys to go full screen, such and such, you know, make things pop up on your stream while you're going in. So you can just go through here. There's tons of stuff all through here, all through hotkeys. So I'll leave that to you. I haven't set up none. Advanced, that's all the same. If you have scenes from, like, if you're using OBS or anything, you can import them, old stuff like that. Notifications, you can enable what you want to have, you know, have pop up and everything else. Your appearance, I like night, you know, you can enable other stuff. This is where you can enable better TTV emotes, you know, for Twitch, you know, get better emotes. Remote controls, when you can control your stuff with your phone. If you really want to, you just got to download the app, pull out your phone, scan the QR code with your camera, and now you can record everything. So you basically you don't need the Elgato Stream Deck. You can just use your cell phone if you really want to, or your iPad. But, you know, I just want to show you guys the basic fundamentals of inside the Streamlabs OBS system. You guys do see I have my game capture running. Show you my preferences. You guys see everything else. Output, audio input. It says analog line in. Only when you use the Elgato chat. Now, if you don't own the Elgato chat link, switch to HDMI and you'll be all fine. I know a lot of people were saying they couldn't get no game audio or nothing was wrong. So you just make sure you have your settings set up right. And you can, inside of here, you can raise your audio gain. When you raise your audio gain inside of Elgato software, it will fix it in the game, so you don't have to raise it inside of Streamlabs, because you're doing Streamlabs and you have two audio, it makes the game audio real loud, so you don't want to do that. And I know some people saying, oh, they can hear themselves echo and everything, but I fixed that problem. But, you know, I just wanted to show you a little bit of inside of Streamlabs OBS. There it is right there on the stream. You guys see me on there. Hey, if you did enjoy this video, it's inside of Streamlabs OBS for Mac. If you want to know anything else, stay tuned for another video. If I'm just going to do a whole tutorial on the Elgato software itself and everything in there to get you fully set up, so stay tuned for that. But if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I hope you guys do. Leave a comment down below on anything else you need. I do respond to everybody, whether it's good or bad. I'm always here to help. Follow me on all my social medias, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Hit me up, whatever one you got. I will respond to you. But I hope you did enjoy this video. It's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton Tv, and I'm signing out. Peace.